morning, guys. It's hello. What's up, you guys? Let's go to the store. What chicken's beer tea. So right now, you guys, I'm going to study. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to men's study. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we get go to study. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we just got done studying, and I'm just gonna go to Steve and Mary's. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we get there. That was good breakfast, you guys. I got a simple breakfast, so I went to Steve and Mary's, which is really good, you guys. I just got a simple breakfast, so I hope you guys, I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys then. So I'm just heading into work, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home. I'm putting my mask on, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna put my mask on with one-handed. It's sometimes hard with one-handed sometimes when you're vlogging, you guys. Yes, I'm just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done. So I just got done work. I'm just heading home, so I will talk to you guys when I get home. Do you guys know what time it is? It's coffee time! Yeah, open the coffee time! Coffee! Let's see, we got a shepherd steep tea. I've never tried steep tea before, but I think steep tea is on Fika, if I remember correctly. I can't really tell you for sure, but I'm gonna have my tea this morning. Actually, this evening, actually. It might be helpful for when I sleep, you guys. Yes, I don't know. But I'm gonna make my tea, and I'm gonna make some supper. I'm gonna make some sausages, and honey and garlic sausages, yes, with some veggies and sidekicks. That's what I'm gonna do, so I'll talk to you guys when I make them. So right now, you guys, we just put the sausages in the oven, so we're just gonna wait for the sausages. But right now, you guys, we're gonna make a video, you guys. Yes, we're gonna make a video. So right now, you guys, we are gonna cut up the sausages and then put herb and garlic sauce on top of it. Okay. I dropped that by mistake, you guys. Yeah, we have a big, huge herb and garlic sausage tub, you guys, right here. So we're gonna do like that. So I'm just gonna put that in the pot, and then I'm gonna put some sausages in there, and it's gonna be so good, you guys. Yes, it's always good, you guys. It's so good. Oh, could die for it. So that's what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna have some veggies too. I don't know what kind of veggies yet, but that's what I'm gonna make right now. So right now, you guys, also we are gonna make some cookies. Yes, we are gonna make some cookies, you guys. Not homemade, you guys. I'm gonna use these kind of cookies, you guys. Yes, these kind of cookies. Button cookies. But these are good. I'm gonna eat these raw. Cookie dough is so good. Makes it so good, you guys. I forget how long they go in the oven for. 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Let's put the cookies in the oven, you guys. Let's put the cookies in the oven. Let's go. Okay, cookies are going in the oven. So there you go. There you guys go. Cookies go in the oven. There's a Bengali sausages, and then this is the sidekick that we always like sidekicks, you guys. Look how the cookies turn out to go. Look so good. So that was fun baking cookies, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the subscribe. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video called